Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 practical ways to make your home look more healthier and livable. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Ditch the air fresheners. Though air fresheners add a pleasant smell to a space, but many air fresheners are made with harmful chemicals that can pollute the air you are breathing and pose certain health risks. We really don't know what goes into the air fresheners because less than 10% of the ingredients are listed on the label. These amazing synthetic aromas are made of airborne chemicals called VOCs, volatile organic compounds. The pollutants that can enter your bloodstream when particles contact your skin or inhale. Many air freshener contains chemical found in the blood called dichlorobenzene associated with lungs damage, also EPA registered pesticide. Air fresheners can trigger the allergy symptoms, aggravate the existing allergies and worsen the asthma. Common symptoms of occasional air freshener use include headache, itchiness, cough, and chronic exposure has been linked to leukemia and lymphoma. The phthalates present in these products are linked to fertility issues, thyroid problems, and skin conditions. Most plug-in also contain a naphthalene which has been found to cause the lung cancer in animals. What about the wax spots? Research shows that both emit the toxic chemicals in the air. So the best way to go about it is to switch to soy candles. Candles are a joy to have around the house, but you can make a healthier choice when it comes to which kind you burn. Seasonal scented candles are made from petroleum-based paraffin wax and can potentially emit the hazardous chemicals. Those pollutants can lead to health risks like cancer, common allergies, and asthma. Instead of for the cotton wick vegetable-based candles, which are often soy or bee wax candles to give your home a soft, comfy glow. Scented candles can make your home smell nice, but they come at a risk. Vegetable soy candles burn clean, which means there are no toxins or pollutants released into the air when you use them. Add an air purifier. Indoor air pollution is a problem you can't see, but one that has harmful consequences on the health of your home. Consider an air purifier to control the odors, chemical vapors, and pollutants in your house. The EPA recommends HEPA filters which can theoretically remove at least 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria and other airborne microscopic particles. Let's be a part of the solution and not a part of the pollution. Next is add a house plant into your home. It is a natural purifier. Incorporating the plants into the household offers dozens of benefits in addition to improving the air quality, beautifying a space and adding the personality to an area. Living house plants and fresh cut flowers have also been shown to improve the emotions and the mental states. Use the glass food storage containers instead of the plastic containers. No yuck chemicals to contaminate your food. Glass is a natural material, it is impermeable, non-porous and above all, real like food you can put into it. Conversely, plastic containers are made with chemicals like BPA and PVC phthalates to make them both hard and soft. Plastic degrades over the time, releasing these chemicals into your pure, carefully prepared food. Unlike plastic, glass can take the heat not only in the oven and microwave but also the hot cycle of your dishwasher. Second is practical. Glass goes from freezer to fridge to oven to the table and back again. Because glass performs safely at a variety of different temperatures and is visually simple and attractive, you don't necessarily have to dirty up another container to heat up your food that's been stored or to serve food that's been heated. Glass also has a huge capacity to absorb and retain heat. Fourth, it is sustainable. Don't let its beauty fool you. Glass is incredibly durable and holds up to years to reuse. Though it is more expensive to purchase, glass lasts longer than the plastic, is made from a sustainable resource and is 100% recyclable. So the cost to your family and our planet is far less in the long run. And of course, it is better for the earth. So guys, that's it for today's video in which we spoke about the 5 practical ways to make your home look more livable and healthy. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified. You can follow me on my Instagram handle for my personal journey. Until next time from Flying Monk, see you guys.